Hi there, Shanna Cramer here. I got some new paints in the mail the other day, these Liquitex soft-bodied acrylics. I'm really looking forward to trying them out. I normally use, when I'm at work, which is Creatively Uncorked, it's a paint and sip. So we use standard paint and sip style acrylic paints, which, if you're not familiar, that basically means big jugs of student grade paint you can pump right out of the jug. So it's definitely a softer bodied acrylic. I think this might be a similar consistency. When I'm painting at home, I'm usually using a heavier bodied acrylic, but then I try to thin it out more. So I just want to use these for comparison. Okay, unboxing. So I've got a phthalo blue green shade and a Naphthol crimson. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, but those are the two colors that I have. Okay. E. Okay. Well, a couple of layers of cover here. Got it. Okay. All right, so there is color number one, phthalo blue. And color two. Oh, and it's much easier to open. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, already I like that. This looks like it's very easy to open. Grab my palette here. Yep, is exactly the consistency I would expect of soft-bodied acrylics. Okay. Actually, I like the covers. I like how easy this is to open and how easy it is to put the paint out on the palette. That is a common struggle, especially when you get a little bit older. Hands don't work quite like they used to. Just for comparison, here is the heavy-bodied, white. Also works just fine, and these covers aren't terrible. These aren't too bad. One thing that I really, really don't like is covers like this. I can't even get this cover off anymore. So I really appreciate these covers here. I'm happy so far with what I see. We'll give it a try with some paintbrushes here. Yep, that's definitely a nice soft paint. Smooths beautifully. You can kind of see every little speck of texture, but that's the paper. That's not necessarily just the paint. Thins nicely. Pretty good coverage, even when it's thinned out. And I am just thinning this out with ordinary water. Just want to test the paint by itself, not testing mediums. Just for comparison here, let's try the heavy bodied. See the difference already. This, you have to work at it pretty hard to get it to thin out, to pick up a little small amount of the white paint. Where the soft bodied, it just blends. It's very nice. Very nice consistency. I'm pretty happy with this, actually. I think I might get more. Easy to work with. Let's try it with a different brush here. I know these brushes work pretty well with the with the heavier bodied acrylics, but let's find one that I would normally use with a softer bodied acrylic. Something like this. It's a really pretty soft brush. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Here it is at full strength, didn't thin it out at all. I'll try that blue at full strength. Yep, that is pretty much what I would expect. I'm appreciating the consistency of the paint. And now, like I did say, I am used to working with student grade acrylics, so this is definitely a step up from that. Yeah, so there you have it. This is the unboxing of the Liquitex soft-bodied acrylics. And overall, I'm pretty happy with the result, and I think I'm going to get some more of these. I like the way I like how easy they are to use. All right, thanks for watching.